Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one classes, one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming mathematical examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the National Boards of Higher Mathematics in the year of 2025. And the question is telling us that how many four-digit numbers divisible by 15 can you form using only the digits 2, 3, 5 and 7 with repetition of digits allowed. Okay. So we have to first think about this thing. That means our our four-digit numbers will look like 1000 into A, sorry, 1000 A plus that will be 100 B plus that will be 10 C plus 5, because our number four digit numbers will be divisible by 15, so that will be divisible by 5 also. So as our digits are 2, 3, 5 and 7, so we have to put the 5 in the last position, so that will be confirmed. Okay, so we have to only play about this A, B and C. So the entries of A, B and C will come from this 2, 3 and 7. So we have to think about this thing. That means we have to check that this thing is divisible by 3. And we know that the divisibility rule of 3. Then we have to only think about that the A plus B plus C plus 5, that has to be divisible by 3. Okay. So as this thing is modulo 2 mod 3, so we have to check that this thing has to be 1 mod 3. Then it will be divisible by 3. So we have to check the data points where our entries are from 2, 3 and 7. Then we have to make A plus B plus C mod 1 equals to 1 modulo 3. Okay, which repetition is allowed here. So what can be done here? So now let us take 2 plus 2 plus 3. Then that is what? That is 1 modulo 3. And we can easily say that our 2, 2, 3, 5, 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. So that will be 4 plus, that will be 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. So that is divisible by 5. Okay, so I am only telling about these things. So our 2, 2, 3 will be a entry here. So we can, as we can use the repetition here, so we can see that we can write this thing as this. And for this, and if we take 5 here, so what can, so this is my 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. 7, so we can write 3 here. So then it will be modulo 1, because this is equals to what? This is equals to my 8 plus 2, that is equals to 10. Okay, so we can write in this form. Yeah. So first entry will be 2, then we will have, if we take 7 here, then 2 plus 7 will be 9. So okay, 2 plus 2, 7, this kind of entries is not valid here. Okay, because 2 plus 7 will be what? Yeah, no, we can take that here. So 2, 7, 7. So that will be equals to 16, and 16 is our 1 more 3. Okay. So these 5 cases will arise if we take 2 in the first side. Okay. So now let us take for 3. 3 plus 2 plus 2. That will come from this side. And if we make 3 here, plus 3 plus 7, that will be what? That will be 10. So if we plus 3, then that will be modulo 1. So that can be written as this also. Okay. So now if we take 3 plus 5, then it will be what? 8 plus 2. Yeah, this thing is here. But in this form, this is not in here. So this will be one entry for that. So we can have another entry, which is this. Okay. So again, we have to think about any other entries will take place or not. Rather, we can take this in the form which is our. We know that our 7 is 1 modulo 3. So if we take it as 1, then I think that will be easier to see. And our 5 is 2 mod 3. Okay. So we got 10 cases from here. So after that, if we put uh, 5 in front of it, then we will have these cases. 3 plus 2, 5 will be 2 plus 3, and we will get what? Yeah. So after that, we have to think for some terms. That means our 5 plus 3. Yeah, that can also be here. So we can write 3 plus 5 plus 5. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. So again, we have to think for some any other terms. Or let us take 5 plus 7. Yeah, plus 3. That will what? That will be, no, that cannot be happen. 5 plus 7. So that is 12. If we take plus 2, no, 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 no. That will not help us. Now, what are any other options here? We have to think. Okay. So let us take 2 plus 7 here, 2 plus 3 here, 2 plus 5 here, and everything is for 2. Okay. So, okay, let us take it plus 7 please. So we will get 7 plus 7 plus 2. So that will be this. And we will have 7 plus 3 plus 3. And any other for 7? 7 plus 5. Then there is 2 and 3. Okay. For 2, we will get 14 here. So that is not modulo 1. And if we take 3 here, that is not modulo 1. And if we take 5 here, so that will be 17. That is not modulo this. And if we take 7 here, 7, 5, 7. So that will be 7, 5, 7. Yeah. So that is equals to 14 plus 5. So that is equals to 19. Okay. So we will get, sorry, 5 plus 7 plus 5 here, and 5 plus 5 plus 7 here. Okay, so what are the situations arised here? 5, there is 6, there is 6, and there is 4. Okay, so we will got finally, that is 9 plus 6 plus 6, so that is equals to 21. So we have only 21 cases when our number is divisible by 15. Okay, so the correct answer of this question will be our 21. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange it out clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.